There's a moment almost every man experiences. The woman who once gave him attention suddenly becomes distant. The texts get shorter, the energy changes, and deep inside, panic begins. Most men react the same way. They chase harder, text more, try to impress more, try to prove their worth. But that is exactly the moment a man loses all power. Because a woman does not feel your value when you are constantly trying to keep her. She feels it when she realizes she might actually lose you. Read that again. People only feel absence after silence replaces presence. And this is where most men fail. They think attraction is built by constant attention. It's not. Attraction is built by emotional impact, and emotional impact comes from contrast. If you are always available, always replying in seconds, always waiting, always chasing, then there is no contrast. You become predictable, and predictable things are rarely desired. Look carefully at human psychology. Nobody obsesses over what they are guaranteed to have. But the moment something valuable becomes distant, the mind starts replaying memories, emotions, conversations. Suddenly, your absence becomes louder than your presence ever was. That's why the strongest thing a man can do when a woman pulls away is not to beg, not to convince, not to panic, but to become silent and focused, not out of anger, out of self-respect. Because silence from a weak man feels emotional. But silence from a strong man feels powerful, and women can feel the difference immediately. Most men think confidence is talking loudly, showing off money, acting dominant. No. Real confidence is emotional control. It's being able to walk away calmly when you feel disrespected. It's refusing to chase someone who is unsure about you. It's understanding that your value does not decrease just because one person failed to recognize it. And here's what happens when you finally stop chasing. At first, she notices the silence. Then curiosity appears. Why did he stop texting? Why does he suddenly feel different? Why am I thinking about him now? Because for the first time, she feels uncertainty. And uncertainty creates emotional tension. But listen carefully. This only works if your distance is real. If you disappear while secretly waiting for her message every 5 minutes, she will feel that weak energy. Women notice energy more than words. So instead of trying to make her miss you, become a man whose absence naturally creates impact. Go build your body, build your money, build your purpose, build your mindset. Because nothing makes a woman feel your absence more than seeing you evolve without needing her validation. That's when the power shifts. The moment she realizes you're no longer emotionally dependent on her attention. And suddenly, the man she ignored starts becoming difficult to replace. But there's one final truth most men are afraid to hear. Sometimes a woman only realizes your value after losing access to you completely. Not because you manipulated her, but because your calm disappearance forced her to experience life without your energy. And if your presence ever brought confidence, peace, excitement, or emotional safety into her life, she will remember it. Strong people are not unforgettable because they chase harder. They become unforgettable because they know when to stop chasing entirely. And the moment a man learns that, he stops looking desperate. He starts looking rare.